guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode I'm going to be doing another recreating an Instagram look. I did this last month or so. I'll link my first one down below where I recreated a look by glamby.cecilia, and today I'm redoing a look by AshleighMccrumMakeup. She has a beautiful Instagram with tons of gorgeous eyeshadow looks, and I saw this look and I was like, okay, I have to recreate that. I'm recreating it using the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is what she used. And then I'm also going to be using a color out of the Golden State of Mind palette from ColourPop for my inner corner, because she used like a special Australia eyeshadow for her inner corner that I don't have, but I'm going to do my best with what I have here. And it's just such a beautiful look, and I'm really excited to recreate it. So I'm going to be doing this one as a voiceover. I didn't do that last time, but this time I'm going to be doing that. So why don't we go ahead and just jump right into me recreating this Instagram look. Hey guys, alright, so I'm starting by priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and then I am setting it with the shade Silk Cream from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Just setting that down here. And now I'm going into the shade Pooter, and I'm just putting this all over the crease. This is the transition shade, so it's pretty messy, and I'm blending it out upwards. And now this is the shade Mocha that I'm taking here, and I'm using this to deepen the crease further, and also like blowing it out by going up once there's no extra pigment on the brush. And then the shade Soda Pop down here, and I'm using that to darken the outer corner. It looked like this is what Ashley did, was she used a really dark shade on the very outer corner, so that is what I'm doing here. And now I'm just going back and blending. You should always go back and blend out your colors. And now I am creating a half cut crease with the Tarte Shape Tape. And I am starting by laying down Pool Party in the inner third to almost half of the lid, but it will be blended with another color. But yeah, so I'm laying that down right on top of the concealer on about the inner third to half of the lid. And now I'm taking the shade Twerk, and I'm putting this right in the middle of the lid, kind of like middle third or so, and I'll be blending that in with Pool Party so the colors blend seamlessly together. As you can see, that's kind of what I'm doing here. I'm pushing the two colors together in between. And here, I'm so sorry, but I did not show it to you. I'm taking the color Royalty, which is right next to Twerk in the palette. It's a really dark, deep purple, and I'm putting this on the outer third. And now I'm taking a clean brush and I'm just swiveling it between Pool Party and Twerk to really make sure those colors are seamless. And now I'm just blending out again, because I just felt like the edges needed more blending. Now I'm going back into Soda Pop, and I am lining the lower lash line with that, and I'm, well, also kind of smudging it a little bit because I want it to be a little bit blown out. And then back into Mocha to just blend that along the lower lash line. Now going into the Golden State of Mind palette, I'm taking the shade Pay the Piper, and I'm using that as my inner corner highlight, starting with MAC Fix Plus on the brush and then popping that on the inner corner. Taking this black eyeliner from Vintage, I am lining my waterline, and then I'm also tight lining with that. And then taking this e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, I'm starting to create a wing. And as I was creating it, here you go, as you see here, I was finding it difficult to fill it in. So this here is actually an Essence eyeliner that I was using to fill all the color in to make it really black and opaque. Ooh yeah, looking good, girl. And I've been so bad at showing things, oh my gosh, but this is the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise mascara. That took a while to get out. And boom. Both eyes are done, and my eyebrows are magically done. What can I say? Alright, you guys, there you have it. I recreated the look that Ashley did. Her Instagram will be tagged down below. I feel like it actually turned out pretty good. I don't know if I did use the same colors she used, and I am not as good at wings as she is, but I do think that that turned out really nice. The colors are very similar. I really enjoyed recreating this look. It looks so cool.
Thank you so much for inspiring me to do another one of these recreating an Instagrammer's looks, and oh my gosh, it's so pretty and I can't stop looking at it. It just looks really cool. The color combo is so pretty. Well, you guys, I hope that you like this series where I recreate Instagram makeup looks. Go ahead and let me know down below if you think I should recreate one of your looks next, and I am certainly happy to take a look. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Please subscribe by hitting the tempting red button right down there below my video. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you later.